Stephen Mead with an introduction and an overview of the MonetaPro B2B marketplace and the opportunity and functionality for private label. We believe in a concept called ComCom, which is community commerce or community commerce networks, whereby a chamber of commerce, a alumni association, business networking groups, or even a large industry such as cannabis, where you have varied numbers of buyers and sellers and suppliers looking to do business with each other. We believe MonetaPro offers a unique solution to be private labeled into these marketplaces. So I'm going to give you some functionality, some overview. Everything in here actually can be private labeled or customized. The colors up here, the graphics, the logos, everything, even the industries and categories are all created through admin functions of what are called CMS, which are contact management solutions. So here we've got manage industry, manage category. So to private label it, we could actually go in and edit and change these industries for what they show up with. And then the categories are within the industries. It's the old skyscraper. So you've got industry and category. Again, if this is cannabis, which is a great example, this could be lights, this could be supplies, this could be seeds. There's any number of industries and categories, but the CMS allows us to quickly and accurately adjust it. What makes MonetaPro unique also, unlike an eBay or an Amazon or even an Etsy, which is what's called a single sign-on, a username and password, MonetaPro has enterprise level functions. If you're a bigger company, I will just keep using cannabis, but it could be anything. You could have multiple locations, multiple facilities, divisions. In the division, you could have departments, rights and authorities, buy, sell, trade. All of the rights are controlled through the admin, where when you add users in, you can instantly update them. And if you add users, add new users, you can control. Can they buy, sell, search, add users, add departments? Again, a lot of hierarchy of controls to create for more functionality. Listing assets, pretty easy. Sell, add product. If you're not sure how to sell, we've got some quick information there, some short videos to make it work. But it's basically sell, click, fill out a form. A couple different sections. One, basic information. Is it a product or a service? Yes, you can put service in here. Industry categories, again, these are all customizable. Code, SKU, description, detail information, quantity, units. Again, it could be a pallet, it could be an individual, it could be hours. US dollars. We actually do some unique things with currencies. So if it's another country, we convert everything into US dollars for what we call a G-Buck, which I'll show you in a minute. Location, is the asset located in the same place as the owner? Payment, information, and shipping. This is where it gets kind of fun and interesting. As a seller, you want to get paid in credit cards? If yes, does it require trade approvals? If you're using credit cards, we use the seller's existing credit card relationship. If you don't have one, may not be an option. Debit card, yes or no? Bank ACH, again, we're doing transfer party to party. And then something unique we've created is a G-Buck, a general business usage credit. It's $1 for $1. This is technically a barter credit. It allows you to do non-cash transactions where you can sell assets, receive this internal store credit, use the credits to buy other assets within the marketplace. It's called a closed loop marketplace. For certain industries where cash or settlement might be a problem, this is a good solution. You can escrow the transactions. Is it taxable? Yes or no? Shipping included in price. You want to publish it as a special, publish the item in or out, upload a couple images, or link out to a video. Again, relatively simple, but a lot of detailed information. Once your items are in, you can instantly and quickly update products. Shows you the picture, quantity, cost, date posted, everything sortable up and down in case you had things that are time sensitive or might expire. If you need to change information, this one's a special, it's negotiable. This one has a video, we simply click. If we need to change price, location, make it negotiable, yes or no, things along that line, it's all quick and easy to update. Pictures, text, easy to save. So you've got a screen to control all of your assets, whether or not you're selling them, quantity, cost. Once your assets are in, then it's a global search engine. If you're using the barter credit, the G-Buck, as you sell assets, not only do you have a sell history, so you have a report of the items that you sold. Let me scroll down here with my little mouse. You've got a purchase order, trading partner, who you sold to, date, cost, quantity. So you do have reports. The actual PO, our purchase order, we write this invoicing to IBM, and we can integrate this invoice into SAP and Oracle to actually update inventory modules and do some really unique things. But if you're selling within the system for credits, the barter credit, you might sell assets, accumulate credits. You can now use those credits. You see here, you have a balance, a line of credit like an overdraft protection, total buying power 4.3 million. And now it's just a global search engine. If you need to expand your company, let's say you need some computers, you need some desktops, now you've got a global search engine, again, of B2B. Amazon and eBay's are set up maybe to buy one computer for $879. It's not set up for 1,000 computers because of the transaction systems. So this is built where it shows you cost, quantity, settlement options, credits, cash, date added, quantity to buy. If you need more information on the asset or the item, now you've got information. You can contact the seller. You can buy directly. If it's negotiable, you can place an offer. If you need more information on this seller, you can click. Every seller can customize their own homepage. So when you land on the seller's page, not only do the seller can create it, when you click view all products, I can now see all of the assets available at that particular location. It may enable me to aggregate buying or purchasing. And we built in some cool functionalities, supply chain, invoicing kind of stuff, but we also built in these things called items and partners. So if you're shopping, you might say, I need this item, I need this item, I need this item. These are individuals. Or you might say, well, this guy's a partner because he has lots of items I want. When you tag within MonetaPro, if you go up here to buy and you click on my items, you now have a purchasing screen of the items you've tagged, whether or not the units are available, item name, settlement, price. If you've purchased before, date, cost, quantity, everything is recorded. So again, if it's a supply chain and you're constantly buying the same item, this takes a 3-week or 3-month RFP down to 3 seconds of just click buy. The partner's a little different. A partner, again, is somebody you do a lot of business with. So this tells you the number of items that particular partner may have. And if you click on them, now you can see all of the assets. Again, this is the seller's homepage. This is customized. Click view all products. And again, I can see all of the products available at that particular location. Industries and categories are all, again, customizable. The search engine, a lot of advanced features. These skyscrapers here show up based on what you've built and created in the private label section. If we need to do additional search, we can search industry, category, company. We can search area code, kind of cool, zip code. So you might want to say, show me all of the sellers selling a particular item in my area code or my country. And again, you can use this as a search tool that functions a little bit differently. So the advanced searches here, AIB. If you do use the barter credits, you might have a department that sells assets, accumulates credits, but for a bigger company with divisions and departments, again, you might sell the asset from one division and you need to move it to your procurement department. These account screens allow you to create your divisions and departments, and you can go in and actually move credits potentially from the sales department to the purchasing or production department. So the credits enable you to do some interesting internal settlement. But again, back under sell, update, add product, we do have multiple settlement options. So credit card, cash, non-cash settlement, and what's coming in also is crypto, where we will enable crypto settlement within the marketplace. That's MonetaPro, just trying to give you some quick functionality in terms of private label opportunity for communities. Again, we call it community commerce. If you're interested, reach out to us directly. Steve and me, thank you very much.